Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now in today's video I'll be making a smoothie, and I just want to take this time to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification sign so you can be notified when there's a new video out. So I have some raspberries and some strawberries right here, mixed fruit, and I have banana. I have banana split ice cream. I have really great yogurt, and then I have some ice over there. So I'm gonna be putting in the ice into the blender. Blend that up. And guys, I've been trying to eat healthy from the other day. Never mind the ice cream, because right now it's kind of very hot. I can't do without ice cream. So put the ice cream out. But I have been trying to eat healthy. So hence why I'm making this smoothie. Adding the raspberries. And some other berries. Don't know them name. All I know say berries them be. And strawberries. And these are all frozen fruits. You can get them at your regular supermarket. And strawberry right there. I think I'm gonna try farm some strawberries of my own. And I'm adding the banana split ice cream. Yes, I'm gonna try and see if I can grow strawberries. Not for sale though, for like personal use, because strawberry is very expensive. The plant is very expensive. I don't think I could afford to actually farm those, because I think if I'm gonna farm strawberries, I would want to farm it organically. And there I put some banana, some red banana. I have also frozen the bananas as well. Yes, I think if I was gonna farm strawberry, I would want to do it organic. And that's a very, very expensive way to go if you're gonna do organic farming. Those protein shakes or something, you could add the protein shake instead of the milk, because right now I'm adding cow's milk. But if you have protein shakes, you could add protein shakes instead of the milk. Or if you have like vitamin supplements or those things, you could add those as well. But right now I'm just starting off with the mixed fruit. Thank you. So I'm gonna leave that. I'm just adding in a bit of water, because I don't like when my juice is too sweet. Just a toops. Or I said if you have I can't remember. You could use almond milk or something like that. Yes, Ensure. You could use Ensure if you have Ensure. You could use vanilla Ensure or whichever flavor you like. Cause Ensure is also a protein drinks. Look at that juice coming out, very thick, and that's the consistency I want. Don't want it too thin and too thick either. So I didn't bother use the yogurt, so that's left. I'll have that later if I feel like it. And it's frozen yogurt. I have frozen it. So yes guys, that's my smoothie. And it's kind of a meal replacement. You don't want to drink this and still eat food, because trust me, you're gonna put on a lot of weight. So if you're gonna have a smoothie like this, you should have it like for breakfast and then don't eat breakfast, or lunch and then don't eat lunch, or you can have it for dinner and don't eat dinner. So that's what I'm doing right now, because it's like after 1 o'clock and I'm not gonna have any dinner. I'm just gonna have this smoothie right here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a wonderful day.